Hello student, I am Pramod sir, your maths teacher. Welcome to everybody today's online class. Student, today I am going to discuss the remaining question of exercise 11.3. So student, in my previous video I have discussed till to question number 8. So in this video I am going to start from the question number 9. So question number 9 I have already written on the board, student. You are seeing. So firstly, student, try to understand the meaning of the question, student. Sajli took a wire of length 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. Means which information is given? Firstly, note it down, student. Firstly, note it down. Length of the wire. Length of the wire is equal to 44 centimeter and bent it into the shape of a circle. By this length, a circle is created. Student, like this. This is the wire. This circle is made by the wire. This is the wire. So, student, you can say that 44 centimeter is the circumference of the circle. Circumference of the circle means perimeter of the circle. You can say, in other words. So, is equal to circumference of the circle. You know, means circumference of the circle is 44 centimeter. And find the radius of that circle. Find the radius. We need, a student. We need to find out the radius. Radius is equal to question mark. And again question asking me, also find its area. Area, student. Area is also, we need to find out. Area. Also find the area of the, and also find its area. If the same wire is bent into the shape of a square, इसी लेंथ का वायर, इतने ही लेंथ का वायर, 44 सेंटीमीटर लेंथ का वायर को बेंट करके क्या बनाया गया? स्क्वायर बनाया गया. क्या बनाया गया स्टूडेंट? स्क्वायर बनाया गया. So question is asking me, bent into the shape of a square, what will be the length of each of its side? What will be the side of the square? Which figure enclose the more area? This circle has the more area in comparison of square, or square has the more area in comparison of circle. Question is asking me. So, student, this is the circumference of the circle, you know. Area, which figure enclose, and side of the square. Find the length of the side. Side of square is equal to question mark. ये 3 information question is asking me. 3 जानकारियां मुझसे जानना चाह रहा है, लेना चाह रहा है क्वेश्चन. First, radius of the circle. They suppose that this is the center. So this distance, this length. Question wants to know. And second is area. Which area? Student, student, find the radius of the circle and circle. Also find its area. Circle का radius. Area of circle. Circle का area find out करना है. And side of the square. Square निकालना है. So student, think that this length will be the 44 centimeter. 44 centimeter. Why? Because this circle is made by the 44 centimeter length of the wire. So, student, firstly, question is saying length of the wire 44 centimeter. So, circumference, I am going to solve, student, this question. Circumference circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, you know 2 pi r, but circumference of the circle is given indirectly in the question. So 44 centimeter, you can write on the place of circumference of the circle 44 is equal to 2 into pi. On the place of pi you can write 22/7 into r. R we need to find out, student. Look here, r. By this formula we will able to find out the value of r, value of the radius, लेंथ ऑफ द रेडियस. रेडियस की लेंथ हम निकाल सकते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट सॉल्व दिस इक्वेशन. सो 44/7 into r is equal to 44. Transpose, student, transpose 44/7 to the left side. So r is equal to 44 divided by 44/7 is equal to 44 into 7/44. To 44 you will be cancel. That will be 7 centimeter is the radius. This is the radius. By this formula you will able to find out the radius of the circle. And after this, student, question is asking me find the area of the circle. If you are able to find out the radius of the circle, then you can find out easily the area. You know how to find out the area of the circle, pi r square. So you can find out area of the circle. Area of circle. Formula we use, student, pi r square. Pi value 22/7 into r 7. 7 into 7. 7 to 7 cancel. Then we multiply, we get the 7 to the 14. 7 to the 14, 115. 154 centimeter square. This is the area of the circle. It is my second answer. And third is question asking side of the square. Student, this square is made by the length of the wire 44 centimeter. So you can say that the perimeter of the square will be 44 centimeter because by this length your square is created. So student, we can write perimeter of square is equal to 4 into side. You know, so perimeter of the square what will be 44 centimeter. Why? Because that square is made by the length of 44 centimeter wire. So on the place of perimeter we can write 44. 4 into side, transpose 4 to the left side. So side is equal to, student, 44/4 is equal to 11 centimeter. This is the side. Side of the square is 11 centimeter. If this side is 11, then all side will be 11 because you know the property of the square. All sides are equal of the square. So 11 centimeter. And third question. And third is asking me this. Which figure have the more area? Circle or square? So already you have find out the area of the circle 154 centimeter, but you have not find out the area of the square. So firstly you have to find out the area of the square. After this you will compare the both area. So student, area of the square, area of square is equal to side into side. Side 11 centimeter. So 11 into 11 is equal to 121 centimeter square. 121 centimeter square is the area of the square. and area of the circle is 154. So you can compare from here, and at last you can say that area of the circle, last answer you will write area of the circle, area of circle is more than square. So student, in this way we will solve this question. This information is given in the question, firstly noted down as you are seeing on the board. Firstly I have noted. After this we start your calculation. Circumference and perimeter, circumference of the circle and perimeter of the square will be 44 centimeter. Why? Because both figure are made by this same length. दोनों इसी एक ही लेंथ से बन रहे हैं स्क्वायर के. So in circumference, in other word, circumference of the circle, we can say the perimeter. So student, write the formula and find out the answer. I hope student you have understood this question very well. So come to the next question student, that is the question number 10. Question number 10 I will solve as like the question number 9, as same student. But question number 9 and 10 both are very most important student for the view of your exam. But student, if you are able to understand to the question number 9 and 10, it means you can solve all the question of this exercise. I hope student. So firstly I am writing the question number 10 student. Question number 10 is saying, from a circular card sheet, of radius 14 centimeter, two circle of radius, circles of radius 3.5 centimeter and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter and breadth 1 centimeter are removed. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Find the area of the remaining sheet. Pi, the value of pi you can take 22/7. So student, this is the question and I am making the figure here. This is the circle and there are two circle. A small circle is made inside the large circle and one rectangle also, like this. So student, question is saying, from a circular card sheet, this is a circular card sheet, it is a circular card sheet of radius 14 centimeter. Radius of this circle is 14 centimeter. two circle of radius 3.5 centimeter, 3.5, two circle, this is 3.5 centimeter and 3.5 centimeter circle are removed, and a rectangle of length 3 centimeter, length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 1 centimeter are removed. So find the area of the remaining sheet. So student, you can say, if from this circular curved sheet, if we remove this part of the circle and this circle and this rectangle, then what parts of the sheet are remain? So you can say this part of the sheet has left. You can say shaded portion has left, student. This area has left. So how can we find out the remaining area of this circular curved sheet? So student, I will not solve this question here. I am not writing the statement, but I will discuss here. How will you solve this question? So student, firstly, you will find the area of the circular curved sheet. Area of circular curved sheet. Pi r square, you know pi r square. You will write this statement. Area of the circular curved sheet, pi r square. Value of pi 22/7. R is given of this circular curved sheet 14 centimeter. So 22/7 into 14 into 14. In this way, you will find the area of the circular curved sheet. After this, student, you will find the area of a circle 3.5 centimeter radius. After this, you will find the area of the circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. आप उस सर्कल का रेडियस एरिया फाइंड आउट करेंगे जिसका रेडियस 3.5 centimeter है. Yes, student, you are seeing here that this circle radius is 3.5 and this circle radius is also 3.5. So if you will able to find out the area of one circle and you will multiply by 2 in that, then you can say that will be the area of both circle. It means firstly you will find the area of, you will write the statement, area of the circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. 3 means 3.5 centimeter वाले रेडियस के सर्कल का एरिया इज इक्वल टू 2 into 3.5 pi r square 2 into pi r square. This is the area of one circle and you have two circle, so you have to multiply by 2 into pi r square. On the place of pi 22/7 r, on the place of r 3.5 into 3.5. So in this way you will find the area of these two circles. And in third step you have to find out the area of the rectangle. इसका भी एरिया आपको फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा. Area of rectangle, length into breadth, and length and breadth is given in the question. So length into breadth 3 into 1 3 centimeter square. And in the last step you will write area of the remaining sheet. Area of the remaining sheet is equal to area of the circular curved sheet. Area of circular curved sheet minus area of two circle of radius 3.5 centimeter plus, look here, on this place you have to write area of both circle of radius 3.5 centimeter. From here you have find out plus area of the rectangle. Both value you will add and subtract from the area of the circular card of the sheet. In this way, student, you will able to find out the area of the remaining sheet. I hope student you have understood this question. कुछ भी नहीं करना है, सबसे पहले आपको इस बड़े सर्कल का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है, सर्कुलर कार्ड शीट का. आफ्टर दिस यू विल फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ दिस सर्कल. सेम फार्मूला पाई आर स्क्वायर बाय द पाई आर स्क्वायर. एंड यू हैव टू सर्कल. You have two circle, so you have to multiply by 2 in the area of one circle. Then you will able to find out the area of two circle. And in third step, you have to find out the area of rectangle. And then this area, and this area. Firstly, you will add, and at last you will subtract from the area of the circular card of the sheet. Then you will able to find out the area of the remaining sheet. In this way, student, you will solve this question and write the statement yourself. I have told you. So, student, come to the question number 11. Question number 11 is very, very easy. Question number 11 is also depend on the question number 10. If you are able to solve the question number 10, it means you can do the question number 11 also. So, student, firstly I am reading the question. A circle of radius 2 cm is cut out from a square piece of aluminum sheet of size 6 cm. Suppose that, student, this is the aluminum sheet is in the shape of square. Square के shape में है, and side of the this square is 6 cm. 6, 6 and 6 centimeter, centimeter and centimeter. And from this sheet, a circle of 2 centimeter is cut out. A question number 11. From this sheet, a circle is cut out of radius 2 centimeter. Radius 2 centimeter का 2 centimeter radius का एक circle cut कर लिया गया. And question is asking me, what is the area of the leftover aluminum sheet? Very easy, student. What will be the area of the remaining aluminum sheet? When you will cut this circle from this sheet, it means shaded portion. You are saying shaded portion will be left. So what will be the area of the shaded portion? Very easy, student. Firstly, find the, listen carefully, firstly find the area of the square sheet of the aluminum. सबसे पहले इस स्क्वायर शीट का, एल्युमिनियम के स्क्वायर शीट का एरिया फाइंड आउट करिए. So how can we find out the area of the square? Side into side, and side is given 6 centimeter, 6 into 6. You can find out easily. And in second step, you have to find out the area of the circle which we are cutting from this aluminum sheet. And area of the circle, how can we find out? Pi r square. And r is given. The value of pi you can put according to the question 3.14. 3.14 you can put on the place of pi. So in this way you will be able to find out the area of the circle. And in the last step, question is saying find the area of the remaining sheet. So you will write the area of the remaining sheet is equal to area of the aluminum square sheet minus area of the circle of radius 2 centimeter. 2 centimeter वाले रेडियस सर्कल का 2 सेंटीमीटर रेडियस के सर्कल का एरिया आप सब्ट्रैक्ट कर देंगे. So you will able to find out the area of the remaining sheet of the aluminum. So student, this is very easy question. You can do yourself. And question number 12, student. Question number 12 is saying, firstly, I will write the question. After this, we will discuss to you. Question number 12 is saying, student, the circumference of a circle, the circumference of the circle is 31.4 centimeter. Find the radius and the area of the circle, pi, the value of pi is 3.14. So student, this is the question, very easy question student, very easy. The circumference of the circle is 31.4. I am going to solve this directly student. Circumference of the circle, is equal to 31.4 centimeter. And by the help of this information, we will be able to find out the radius. Firstly, so what is the formula for finding the circumference of the circle, student? Circumference of the circle is equal to 2 pi r, and circumference is given 31.4. So on the place of circumference you can write 31.4 is equal to 2 into pi. The value of pi is 3.14 into r, and we need to find out the r. This is the equation form, and you will transpose this value to the left side and find the value of r. So student, firstly, 31.4 is equal to 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 6.28 into r. So r is equal to student, r is equal to 31.4 upon 6.28. Now remove the decimal. So you will increase, you can remove the decimal point when you will remove, you will increase 1 0 in numerator. So this is 3140, 628 5 ja 3140 centimeter. This is the circumference. This is the circumference of the, no, sorry student, this is the radius. This is the radius of the circle, which circumference is 31.4. And in the last question you are asking me, find the area. If you are able to find out the radius, then you can find out the easily area of the circle. Area of the circle, student, at last, area of the circle, pi r square. Pi, the value of pi 3.14 into r is equal to 5 into 5. Multiply student, 5 5 25, 3.14 into 25, 5 4 ja 20, 5 4 ja 20, 5 1 ja 5 to 7, 5 3 ja 15, 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 जा 2 4 जा 8, 2 1 जा 2, 2 3 जा 6, 8 7 15, 5 2 7 and 1 8, 6 1 7. 78.50 is equal to 78.50 is the area, centimeter square student, centimeter square. 78.50 centimeter square is the area of that circle, which circumference is 31.4. So student, I hope you have understood this question very well. So student, I have told you question number 1 to question number 12, but this exercise has the question number 17. I am leaving here question 5 of this exercise for you as homework. So question number 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17, 5 question you will do yourself. Think and do. So student, in my next video I will start your new exercise. So thank you student, thank you very much.